on today's episode of finally getting around to doing things the right way. I am, well, first of all, here on, this is my printer for work and charger, and I've had right in here, oops, I need some light. Okay, so sorry, I had to figure out to get the lighting in here. This GoPro was not having that door open. So anyways, I had these switches down here originally, toggle switches. One was for lights, one was for my fan, which I have up here just to give me some air circulation. But I had a while back installed this switch in a box, just surface mounted, but I keep bumping into this thing. And then I had this cable just kind of zip tied to it. It was a mess. So what I'm doing now is I've cut a little hole for that switch. That's gonna be my lights. I just used my multi-cutter, whatever tool, to cut for that switch, and then I'm gonna cut another hole. You know what I need? I need a double plate. I'll get a double Decora to make this look right. So I'll put that one there, and that's going to be for my fan. So I'm going to have to run the wire up from here to this switch. And these are just household Decora style light switches, rocker switches. Work the same as a 12 volt. Just making a connection. So I got to cut another hole for that one, and then I got to figure out how I'm going to mount my 12 volt socket here. Is that deep enough? Oh, it's just deep enough. Okay, so I can see if maybe I can drill a hole that's just barely big enough and just jam that sucker in there. Hopefully it stays. Yeah, let me see what I can do. Okay, so I got the light switch mounted. And now I've got, okay, this is just a wire I'm going to use as a pull wire, because this is my cigarette lighter, power port, whatever, power connector, whatever you want to call it. I got the positive going to the hot side of this, and then I got to pull this ground side back out so I can run a screw into the frame of the truck here. See how that works. There's probably another way of getting a ground, but that's the easiest way I can think of. Hopefully I made that hole big enough, or else I'm starting over again. Not big enough. Dang it. Alright, I'm gonna have to use my round file and make that big enough. I couldn't find the right size bit for it. The next size up would be too big, so that's gonna have to work. That ain't going nowhere. There we go. Do I have power? Yes, I do. Printer powered up. Sweet. Pull that out without pulling it out of the wall. Okay, so I got lights and I got power. Now I need another one here for my fan. I don't have a double Decora. I ain't going shopping for one, so just gonna do that. looks like the wires go that way. So it's not ideal. Alright, no big deal. So I gotta extend those two, run them up here. Holy crap, that was way too easy. That fell right in the hole. How did I do that? That's way off. It's off, but I can live with that. Okay, what do I need? Oh, I need two more of those little short screws for that plate. And that should be, oh, I still need to extend these wires down here. And I got lights and fan. Sweet. All I gotta do is shove this back in here, put this switch back in here to cover this hole, and add those two plates or two screws, and I'm done. I didn't take a before picture, but trust me, it looked terrible. Okay, got that put back together. Got this all buttoned up. I did take that back out and straighten it out. I just wanted it to be a little closer. It's still a little off. I think these two Decora plates are slightly different sizes, but either way, it's not perfect, but it's real close, and that is going to be so much nicer. I can just reach in, hit my lights, or hit my fan, and that's so much easier than trying to find those, especially when I always have boxes right here. Pretty neat. I like it. Nice and clean. Well, for the sake of just making everything look good rather than just functional, I went ahead and zip tied up my cord. Nice and neat. So we've got plenty to plug into the printer, plenty to open the door all the way without that getting tight. So that's cool. I'm not sure why I'm on this little kick today of making stuff look halfway decent rather than just functional. Maybe one of these days I'll fix those lights. Probably not. That's been there for about 7 years, and I said the day I installed those that I was going to sort out that wiring, and yeah, it just keeps working.